What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of T-Chat Outdoors. We're out here Scofield Reservoir again. We're out here doing overnighter. So first overnighter of the season. We're hoping it's going to be a great day. So great night, great evening, I guess. We got Shannon Bradford back here. He's getting the tip-ups up. We're hoping to get a nice muskie with this trip. And then we got Jay Riggs coming a little bit later. We're going to spend the night on the ice, catching trout, catching whatever bites, catching ourselves a good time. So we're gonna get ourselves set up. We just pulled all the stuff down. Shannon's been here all day fishing, and we are gonna catch some fish. All right, I got me a new toy. It's the Ion Alpha. Got the Ion Alpha last year, but it had the 10-inch steel blade on it. This time what I did is I upgraded and I got this plastic bottom 8-inch. Can't remember what it's called, but yeah, you guys know. Let's test her out. Drill us the first hole. It's nice because it's so light. It's just woo, woo, woo. Ooh, yeah, we are in some weeds. Figured we'd be in some weeds. All right, time to set up the tent. Here we go. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. She's up. Alright, we got the tent partially set up. We got the mats down. We got the cots in. I'll show you a little bit of what it is. You guys ready? We're about set up. Just pulling the last of the things in here, and we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna cook some dinner too, so you'll get that in video. It's gonna be good. Ramen, baby, ramen. All right, you guys, we're just getting things ready. I'm just about to get dinner ready. I got the jaw jacker going right here. It's the jigging jaw jacker. Fish came in. Check it out, but he didn't hit. Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. It's so close. Almost.
Got one. Finally.
Oh, Shannon's on the board. Oh, he's off. That's a nice cut.
That's a
pretty cut.
While, huh? Boom. Whoa, 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 buddy. Okay. Oh my gosh. He doesn't want to get showed off. All right.
All right, time to get dinner ready for real this time. Said it like 4 times. Then I end up doing something else. Shannon catches the fish.
Right.
Heck yeah, that's what we like to see. But now it's time to actually cook. So, we got the jet boil. We're gonna boil some water and make us some food. 2 1/3, you said? There's one. And 1. That's 1/3. Close enough, right? Whoa. I'm new to this. That's what I'm talking about. Kabam! Put the lid on. Fire burning on the dance floor. Oh. Sing it.
Take my hand.
Oh. Living on a prayer. Oh, I got more jerky. We gotta light this bad boy up. We fishing at night, so we glowing. Oh, I think she's boiling.
Ready?
Yeah. Quick. Boils in about minute 30 to 2 minutes. Ooh, there's fish down there. Come on, keep coming up, baby.
Rice and chicken.
All right, she's ready.
One.
Yep. Pour her in.
Oh, it smells
Baby.
good already.
Yeah, dude. That's how she do it. She quick. Oh yeah, that smells real good. We got chicken pesto or we got beef stroganoff. I had beef stroganoff for lunch, so I'm going chicken pesto. Kiana made beef stroganoff yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
This is what we got, people. Peak Refuel, baby. Peak Refuel. This is, let's see, how many ounces? We got, carefully add 2/3 cup boiling water. I only need 2/3 cup. 2/3 cup. Kiana always asks me, how much is 2/3 cup? I'm like, it's 2 1/3, right? Because we don't have a 2/3 cup. Maybe a little extra. And we'll drink the rest. All right, timer. It is 7:02 and 10 seconds. Sheesh. She is steamy. Look at that steam. Oh, baby. What is it? It's been a minute. Is it boiling? Sheesh! That was a minute. That stuff is quick. That's the way we like it. We don't need that in there. Oh, is that my seasoning packet? Nope, that's a do not eat packet. How long do we let it sit? We let zip close 10 minutes. Oh, yours is quicker than mine.
Yeah.
There you have it. Jet
Well,
boil.
5 minutes and then I gotta stir it and then another 5 minutes.
That's what we got there, baby. Jet boil, bringing us dinner. Oh, shiz, I just had a bite.
Oh, I see it now.
Dang, I missed it. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, he's coming up. Coming up.
Start recording.
Oh, missed it. Oh, that's a big one.
Start recording.
Oh, hit the jaw jacker. Hit the jaw jacker. That thing's big. Come on, jaw jacker. Hit it. Hit it. Go on. Oh, he's playing with the jaw jacker.
What's that jaw jacker?
There's two of them.
Come
Oh,
back to you,
okay.
come back to you.
Oh.
That's the jaw jacker.
Hit it.
Come to me.
Oh, he's coming to you. Ooh, that. Oh, yep, he set you.
Come on. Come on. No, I missed him. He said the tentacles or something.
The tentacles.
Back.
Shit, it says it. You got the tentacles.
Got the back end of my tube.
Come on, baby. Oh, yep.
Okay, the jaw jacker, was that you?
No, he's on me.
You.
He's on me.
Man, Life Scope is so sick.
Come on, baby. Hit it! Oh, this guy is playing hard with us. He's hard to get. Yeah, there he is.
It was got him.
And my drag's not set. Very good.
Oh, he's good. Oh, he's good.
Hey,
Good
Deece.
cutting.
He's a decent cut. Thought he looked good on there. That's what I'm talking about. T-Chat is on the board. With dinner cooking, we got fish biting. They know it's dinner time. Yeah, baby. Here we go. The first fish of the night. Ooh. Tell me what you think. Can I do better? Sure hope so. He's gone. Gone with the wind. Gotta wash them hands. Dry them off with the towel. Ooh, baby, that was good. That was fun. That was fun. I like this. Time to mix up the Peak Refuel. She's done cooking. Oh, baby, that smells good. That smells real good. Chicken pesto pasta. Oh, focus. There we go. Chicken pesto pasta. That's how I cook. Shannon's got rice and chicken.
Good stuff.
Because he's Asian.
Right.
It's in his blood.
Got soy sauce for blood.
He said his blood is soy sauce. Come on, baby.
No! No, dude! Son of a...
Hit it. Oh, I missed him.
Oh, we both suck.
We both suck.
Is he gonna give you a second chance?
Yeah, he's going to get me. He's still sitting here.
Sheesh, my fish sucked. Oh,
Second
Taylor
chance.
Tuck.
That's how you do it. Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
They got good faces. Oh, he slapped. Body slam.
Buddy.
Skirt. Boom. Oh. Oh. He's juicy. Boom. There you have it. A beautiful cutthroat trout brought to you by T-Chat Outdoors. Oh, yeah, he came in hot. There he is. Shandon's on. Bradford is on. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Sculpted, bro. Look at it. Two jigs
Oh,
gone.
dang, that thing. Yeah, he ate that. They're hungry. We're just not marking a ton, I guess. Well, good morning, everybody. I was like 3 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep maybe. No, not even. Woke up, marking a couple on the screen, but I'm gonna get a little bit more sleep. I know Jay is. We'll get fishing here soon. All right, we're starting the day for real now. Jay's dropping down. We're gonna go check on Shannon, see if he's alive. Hopefully he is.
What's up, T-Chat Outdoor fans? Getting ready to go set up some tip-ups.
Sheesh.
Yo,
Yeah. Don't puff off. That thing came in hot. Oh man, I was jigging hard, boy. Okay. Come on, almost there. There we go. Good job, you did it, bud. There you have it. First hoodie of the day. Alright, time for some breakfast. We got Peak Refuel. Or we got top ramen. What am I feeling, Jay? Beef stroganoff or top ramen? This one's got 41 grams of protein per pouch. I'm feeling that. I need my protein. So I work out. So I work out a little bit. Look at that flame. Burn, baby, burn. 2/3 cup. It's almost there. Oh, you on me. Fish on. Wow, we got. Oh, it's a tiger. It's a tiger. Tiger, baby. Yeah, got my first tiger. Scofield. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, perfect. Come here. Boom. That's skirt. There we go. That's a pretty fish right there. Yeah, baby. Early ice camping. First outing of the year. I'm gonna get this tiger back. Thank you, Mr. Tiger. Sheesh. Cooking up a little bit of breakfast and the tiger came in. All right, we went with beef stroganoff. This is today's breakfast / lunch / just getting some nutrients in the body. Yeet. All right, we got the goodies made. Delicioso. Shandon decided to come join us now.
What's up, y'all?
He says
I'm in
hi.
the big boy tent now.
Yep. He decided to put on his big boy panties. Oh boy, what is that?
Big old fish, that's what that is.
41 grams of protein, baby. Going right to my blood. Oh, that mushroom, pretty bomb actually. We got a flag, brothers and sisters.
just chilling.
Good try. Good try. Another false tip up. That's okay. One of these is gonna be real. We're gonna get it. All right, time for some running gunning. We're not marking much in the tent, so we want to get out, get into spots that are getting more fish. So Shannon's up against the shore. Jay is all the way back there somewhere. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go kind of near the shore as well. So we just need to find where the fish are at. So our boy Jay took second at the Frozen Frenzy Ice Fishing Tournament, and that consisted of him getting the new Eskimo E40 auger. So kind of want to do a comparison real quick. I got my Ion Alpha 8-inch composite, whereas his is the E40 composite as well. Both 8 inches. Kind of want to see who goes faster. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow!
I think yours is faster, but
Yours beat.
I started before you.
I don't know, they're pretty good. It's 40 volt.
E40 volt.
Oh, duh, E40. I don't remember what this is.
That's probably a 40 volt as well, I'm guessing.
I think this has a little bit more torque in it than that does. That's the difference. And that's only 14 pounds, whereas this I think is 16 pounds. So that thing is light. It's a good auger, so I'm gonna stick with my Ion Alpha, but I'm happy Jay's got a nice auger now too. So it's a good upgrade. Thing's quick though too, nice and sound.
Yeah,
so
still sturdy and nice and...
Yep. We out. We are running and we gunning. We're marking fish, so that is a good thing. Come on, we got one on me right now, but he's not wanting to hit. I think there's little rainbows. I got myself a white tube jig on, tipped with a little bit of shrimpy shrimp. Oh, yeet. Mama gone wild. There he is. Ooh, good colored cutty. Another one bites the dust. I thought this was gonna be a rainbow, but he's a cutty. Another cutty bites the dust. That's how we do it. Almost lost my rod. Oh, he popped off. Whew. Oh, he's still there. Got him. Oh. Oh, he's right here. He's right under the ice, guys. Oh, got him. I just sight fished this sucker. Sheesh, he's a good one. Come on. Come on. Come up, buddy. Come on. There we go. I got him 2 feet under the ice. Another one. Same old, same old. All right, I'm going back to the tent. I'm gonna do some sight fishing. Hopefully some fish have moved in, give it a little bit of break. Now we can go catch some big ends, see some big ends through the ice. Doing some sight fishing in the tent. And just hooked into a bad boy on my fishing rod. Another cutty. I had one that just kept hitting the camera. He'd come in, hit the camera, come in, hit the camera. So I put my jig next to it. And then he didn't want it, so. Whoa. Hydrate. What time it is? Gatorade, electrolytes. Gotta get that salt, these electrolytes. Delish. I'm gonna try out the lighting. Sorry, people. You get what you get. You can watch Peak Outdoors. I'm gonna have breakfast round 2. You know it. T-Cat Outdoors special. Little hosted donuts. These are the chocolate ones this time. I've been having my favorite too. Crumble one. Strawberry shortcake. My favorite. That's what I'm talking about. Big baby hostess. Well, you guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for coming along for this overnighter. Good little trip. Didn't get on as many fish as we want, but we're trying something a little new. Fishing an area where spring comes in, nice shallow, lots of weeds. So we're hoping to find some muskie, but not looking like today's the day. So that's okay. But we had a good time. We still caught fish, caught a rainbow, caught a handful of cutthroats, caught that one tiger. So didn't get all of it on video, but got the majority of it to create a good video. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys want to see more of me, go and subscribe to T-Cat Outdoors. You can check me out on Instagram as well. And sometimes I post on TikTok, not all the time. But we got Shandon Bradford as well, who helped out on this outing. J Riggs, you can go follow him on TikTok. So made ourselves a good little evening, a good little day, good morning. So, T-Cat out. See you guys next time.